Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL One S 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can find all device specifications on this device. First of all, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar, type DevCheck, and download this app from this developer. Following that, tap on Open. Now you can find out informations about your dashboard, hardware system, battery, network, apps, and list goes on and on. But you can also go into device settings, scroll down, choose system over here, and find some specifications over here as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!